Good morning. We are coming to you from Lisbon this morning because we flew here last night from the Netherlands.
Yeah, for the next 3 days we are going to be exploring Lisbon, but we're not going to be doing it alone. We've got some friends with us.
Hey!
This is Elena and this is Stefano, and they're going to be joining us for the next 3 days to explore Lisbon.
So the plan is that we're going to explore Lisbon with a local today, so hopefully see it through their eyes and he'll tell us all the good spots. It's not working. You got it.
Enjoying the rain?
Yep. Just like home.
Just like home.
Just like the Netherlands.
Raining carnival.
Yeah, we thought we'd escape the rain in the Netherlands, but turns out it's raining everywhere.
We're searching for a little breakfast place where we're going to taste the first Pastel de Nata of our trip, but this breakfast place is closed, so we're going to have to find another one. Found another place just across the street. It looks busy. Might be because it's the only one that's open, but we're going to give it a try.
He's taking a picture of the love of his life.
Yeah.
Of course, as always.
So we got one giant Pastel de Nata. This looks very similar, but it doesn't have the crust. It looks like just the filling, which is like the best part. And then Elena and I got also something that looks like Pastel de Nata, but has a different dough. Yeah. The dough is crumbly. Might even prefer this to the puff pastry though.
See how this tastes. It's very similar to plum. It's quite dense.
It's so steep. The walking tour starts at 2:30 near Praça Luís de Camões. So we're just heading there. Our apartment is situated in the Graça Neighbourhood, which is on top of the hill, which means we get a really good view, but it also means that we need to walk down a lot of hills.
We read yesterday that Lisbon has 7 hills, so that means there's going to be a lot of walking up and down for the coming 3 days. And what we also read yesterday was that Lisbon is one of the oldest Western European cities in the world. Older than Rome.
Yeah, that's a lot.
These guys are from Italy, so they still don't believe it.
First impressions of Lisbon are really good. It's so beautiful. All the buildings have these tiles on their facades, which make them really, really colorful. The air is super humid. My hair is starting to frizz up and my jacket is like clinging to my skin. There's a high humidity in the air.
We've got, 14 minutes?
Yeah.
Before the tour starts. Oh, there's ATM. And we need to get some money out as well.
We're taking out some money for the free walking tour. That doesn't make sense. But it's not really free because they're spending 3 hours of their time showing us around the city. Steep climb.
We said it was 10 minutes, mostly flat.
Mostly flat.
That's what Google says.
Yeah. Every location we type in, Google says it's mostly flat. And mostly flat here means this. A 3-hour walking tour requires a double knot. I tried to set it free, but it doesn't want to leave, so it's going with me on the tour.
Last famous.
Never mind, never mind.
Our tour today is going to last around 3 hours to 3 hours and a half.
So we've started our walking tour, and one of the interesting things we've already learned is that many of the statues that you find around Lisbon are of poets. You would think they would be of kings or maybe soldiers, but they are poets. So we're starting the tour in the Bairro Alto area, which is the nightlife area of Lisbon. So it's quiet at this time of day, around the morning, afternoon, but comes alive at night.
Welcome to Bairro Alto. We are already entering the neighborhood. Poet, okay, people start to call him the poet because he was good, but he was actually a drunk man and a heavy smoker.
Behind me is the oldest bookstore in the world. From here we can see where we're staying. It's pretty high up. And behind me is a very, very old elevator which you can take up. I think tickets cost €6, but you can also reach it from this platform. If you just pass through the bacalhau or the cod shop, you can get to the same place for free. So this is the Carmo area. I don't know if I mentioned that already. All the buildings are so colorful.
It's really nice doing these walking tours. You get a really good impression of the city. We've only been walking now for 1.5 hours, and I feel like I can orient myself quite a bit now.
The next neighborhood we're going is called Baixa.
What does Baixa mean?
Not Baixa, not bike, Baixa, but Baixa.
Baixa.
Baixa means, do you know what it means?
Downtown.
Oh, downtown, you're right. It turns out that this elevator was actually built by a student of Gustave Eiffel, who built the Eiffel Tower in Paris.
Yeah. But this one is a scam, because you shouldn't take it. There's another way to get to the top.
Yes, where we were earlier.
So it's time to get some sugar. We're gonna get some Pastel de natas. How is it?
And Maria put some cinnamon on top. It smells delicious. Because it's still warm.
Give it a try.
Oh wow. Amazing.
How it looks, but then
No words.
Very good.
Yeah.
You're right, it's better than this morning. It's also really creamy. It's probably the best pastel de nata I've ever had. Yeah, and crispy. It's like fresh. Feels like it's baked just recently.
I think we need to get some more. It's $1.50 per pastel. Really, really good. So now we're heading to the Alfama area, which is the area of the city that has been the best preserved, I guess, because it wasn't destroyed by the earthquake in the 17th century. We start our ascent.
Have you heard about ginginha? Ginginha is a very famous Portuguese liquor. Ginginha is made with ginja. Ginja is how we call sour cherry. So it is a sour cherry liquor made with ginja, made with this cherry. And then people add a very strong Portuguese drink called água ardente. It would be similar to vodka, more or less.
We're going to try a ginginha, which is a typical drink from Lisbon. Maria said they drink it every day.
If you like chocolate, chocolate mais chocolate.
It's delicious. It's exactly how I thought it would be.
Cheers. It's like sweet wine with chocolate.
Yeah, like sour cherry. It's like, what's that cake called? The German cake? Black Forest cake.
That's true.
Oh my god, my
You gotta drink it first before you...
I just wanted to bite the chocolate. Too enthusiastic.
Saúde.
Salute.
Bom Carnaval means good carnival. We also say a lot.
I just wasn't thinking. All I was thinking was I want chocolate. And I bit and the whole liquor just...
You bit into it before you drank it,
Yes,
and that's the outcome.
I need it. Yeah, not very smart. It's 3 hours that we've been walking. There's actually a competition between the ladies in the neighborhood of who sells the best ginger.
Vai, vou estar
What did you guys think?
It was really good. Yeah, she was very knowledgeable. Gave us a lot of tips. And it was like a good balance between like tips of things to do in the city and history.
And recommendations
And
as
yeah,
well.
lots of recommendations. That was awesome.
Very close.